Welcome to the island of misery. This way to Wall Street, where all your hopes and dreams will be dashed. Follow me. People of Wall Street, I'm here to serve and protect you. Up from the depths I come. Let me lead you. Let's grab this bull by its tail, mount it, and ride it with me into the future! Hear me, oh financial district, and people in that building beware! This is a Krull To Arms! Follow me to glory!
What's up, people? Friday, and you know what day it is? It's hot cocoa day. It's really freezing out here in New York. The wind is ripping. We had a freezing rain. Hopefully my friends will show up. Today we got hot cocoa. We have a broker coming in to talk us about the shady world of being a broker and actually calling customers to calm them down and all that stuff that we used to do as brokers. And then of course I got the big O coming in, going to lay it down, talk about what we're going to be doing for our rap video. And if you're in the New York City area on Wednesday, we're throwing it down finally. 2 years in the making. We're finally going to come together and get this finalized. This rap video that we've been waiting to unleash on all of you. It's all about bitching and moaning about crying. And who knows better than me about bitching and moaning? This guy. But as one of the persons in the hate videos, and if you watch the video, Day Trading Ruined My Life, there's about 2 or 3 of them. You want to see how much people hate and love me? There really usually isn't any middle ground. It's hate or love. And if you don't get the sarcasm behind a lot of the videos that I've done in the past, then all I do is, again, invite you to come and listen to what goes on all day. Because there's no hiding from what I do. There's no hiding from whether or not I'm losing money. And of course, there's days where I'm depressed and days that I'm pissed off. But again, we push through it together. Because we always know there's tomorrow. And again, what happened yesterday? Once again, something came along and we made money. Even right there at the end of the day, on a Thursday, we had a nice trade-in panel right from the get-go in the morning. I went out. Later on, you know, I had to take care of some stuff. I tried to do some other businesses on Thursday. And then come back at around 3 o'clock, we had the SHLD, which was trying to go green all day. It went green. We made a little bit of money. And obviously, everything, when I take a little bit of profit. And late in the day, I don't mind. Because I'm definitely not going to complain about taking small profits late in the day. Because generally, that's what's going to happen. But it managed to spike $1 after I got out of it anyway. Because that's what I do. But more importantly, hot cocoa's coming in. We'll be doing some drinking. And again, next Wednesday, we're going to be focusing on attention. Now, also, one of our partners, David Shine. If you want to listen to me on the David Shine show today, just send me an email to jefferson@hitthebid.com. We'll send you a free access pass to the David Shine show. If you don't know who David Shine is, go Google him. He's run Shine's Trading Room. I frequent his show every week. And we are doing some things together. And again, a lot of people who don't know if they can take what I do seriously. We have some serious people. Obviously, we have Walking Through the Charts now. We have our resident Christopher Walken. Personality brings you through the charts, draws lines up and down, brings you opportunities to make money. And then we have our VWAP specialist who reconfirms what sometimes Mike is showing. And of course, I throw out my ideas out there. So it's a nice blend. It's finally coming together. Sure, it's taken many years. But you know what? When something goes right, it's always that it took 3 or 4 years to get it to that point. We're at that point. Come join us. Be a VIP before we shut our doors and we let the masses in. Be that guy. Be that guy, because there's going to be a core group of you guys that are just going to be my people. My people. And those people I want to be, you know, here from now till those days. But, okay, let's take a look about our core portfolio, okay? And we've had an extraordinary start to this year so far. Our portfolio, everything's been working. Swing trading, day trading, investing even. all of our investments are starting to pan out. You know, Cisco finally broke 19. We had GE finally broke 19. We got the Hartford finally starting to get some traction over 17.5 again. OCZ sold off on those earnings reports. We got out before the earnings report. Like we told you guys, you don't want to hang on to these stocks while the earnings season is happening, unless you are completely confident and no matter what, you're hanging on to these stocks forever. But if you're getting into a position near or around an options, around an earnings report, you might want to lighten up. It worked out perfectly. Then again, it did open up at about 8:10 or 8:15. I sold it at 8:05 the day before, but then it fell apart at about 7:50. Missed that bottom, got back in at 7.85, and now they're chugging away again. OCZ, got to have this in your portfolio. OCZ. Maybe looking like a $10 stock. A Taser, not looking so good, but at least it held that 485, that $5 zone that we were waiting to see if it broke. Hearn, H-U-R-N, of course, another core portfolio holding, waiting for this thing to go to 40, and A-Core Therapeutics, ACOR. Now, you see what I just did there? There's some other websites that have, they say they're going to make you $1,000 a week on a certain pick. Listen, I don't know whether or not people are doing well or not doing well. And again, there's no hiding. There's no hiding from what I do. I give you an update every day, 3 or 4 updates a day on how my portfolio is doing. I give you what I'm doing intraday, and then of course we have guests to come on and tell you guys what they're doing as well. And soon, for you black and white guys, for you guys that need to see it up there in print, it'll be up there documented and time-stamped, which is the big key word nowadays. You got to timestamp those prints, not talk about what you did after and what you could have done, explaining a chart in the background, thinking, oh, here's where you could have gotten at 27.5, and it would have went there, and it could have done this, and you should have done that. No, there's none of that. What we do here on the show is, here, look at this stock. It looks like it's about to break 27.50. You should be buying it right now. Oh, I'm getting in right here. Watch me get in. There I am. I'm in the stock. Watch it go higher or lower. There's no denying what happens on the show. You experience the losses and the gains with me in real time. There's no other thing like it. Okay? And it's nerve-wracking, but I attempt to do it every day. I can't trade more than 1 or 2 positions at the same time. Guys who tell you they have 30 positions on at the same time, God bless those guys. Me, give me 1, give me 2. I'm doing 4 or 5 trades a day. I'm trying to make a little bit of money on each one and then go on to the next day. That's all we've been doing since I've had this enlightenment. We're going on 2-3 months, and I have to credit everybody that's been in the chat room. I think while I'm out there trying to talk my way through these trades, it's helping me concentrate, and it's helping everybody make money at the same time. And again, give a man a fish, he eats for a day. Teach a man to fish, he eats for a lifetime. Listen, I'm out there fishing every day. I'm bringing them in. I'll fillet them for you. Little garlic, little butter, little white wine, red if you like. I'll even feed you if you want. But again, if it's time for you to learn, I don't know if you know this or not, but I have a company that's associated with Hit the Bid that does that. So if you want to learn, you just let me know how much you want to learn, what you want to learn, where you want to learn it, and how much time you have to sit there and learn it. And then also then if you want to sit there and listen to our chartist guys, just by listening and just seeing what they're doing. Christopher Walken is no joke. My boy the VWAP porn guy, no joke. He loves VWAP so more, we've dubbed him now the VWAP porn. He gets off on explaining these charts to you. We'll just stop right there. Yeah, he's excited about charts. Very excited. So, market's opening up. Doesn't bother me. I don't trade the first 15 minutes of the day. It's just a bunch of noise. We'll see what happens, and good luck to you. And again, email me, jefferson@hitthebid.com. Follow me on Stock Twits and the Twitter. It's both of a combination. I don't know if you don't know about Stock Twits, you got to get on the Stock Twits. It's better than Twitter because it's specifically only about stocks. StockTwits.com. Take a look at that. Again, email me, most important thing. And again, let's become friends, and you call into the show. We'll have a good old time, and that is that. All right, I went on way too long. My fotch, probably, I know it annoys people. So there's that. Enjoy your day, and See you in the chat room. Bye.